Join me as I get monetized on YouTube by the end of 2024, all without niching down. Hey y'all, I'm Reed. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be keeping it so real as I talk about my journey as a YouTuber and my goals for the rest of this year. Okay, I am currently filming this at the beginning of October. 2024 is about to come to an end, and I actually started this channel back in May, on May 1st. Little did I know all the things that would occur in my life since then that would not necessarily be roadblocks, but would require a lot of my energy that would take me away from YouTube. Now, I've posted about 20 videos so far. I expected to post way more, but I'm gonna pause, pat myself on the back, and say, you know what, 20 videos in this amount of time, and how many months? Wait. May, June, July, August, September, 5 months. I've only been on YouTube 5 months. I've made 20 videos, which isn't a lot, but it kind of is a lot. So my goal for the rest of this year is one that everyone on YouTube is trying to hit at some point in time. My goal is to get monetized. Now, I know a lot of you are thinking, how many subscribers do you already have? How many hours do you already have? Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. So far, when I'm filming this video, I have 260 subscribers. Yeah, we got a ways to go. However, I believe it's possible. And as far as watch hours go, we have a little less than 500. So yes, we do have a ways to go. However, I am the kind of person that believes that if you decide what your goal is, you get laser focused, you double down, you do everything you can to reach your goal. You can make it happen no matter how impossible it feels. No matter how many people tell you it's impossible to achieve, I believe you can make it happen. So I have the goal to get monetized by the end of the year. So to get monetized on YouTube, you must have 1,000 YouTube subscribers and you must have 4,000 watch hours. Now, I do believe it'll be easier for me to hit the 1,000 subscribers before I hit my 4,000 watch hours. But you never know. All it takes is one video to go viral, they say. So today we're gonna be talking about my game plan for reaching my goal. But first, let me do a little shameless ask, a little shameless favor asking. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet and you want to help me reach this goal and enjoy some awesome videos, obviously, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I promise you won't regret it. And wouldn't it be cool if you were along for the ride as I reach my YouTube goal? Wouldn't that be so cool? Wouldn't it be so cool if you were along for the ride on my entire YouTube journey and watched me reach my goal? What if you played a part in me actually reaching my end of the year goal? Wouldn't that be so cool? We also have a lot of videos below, so go ahead and take a look at those. That helps me get my watch hours. And also, if you're in the same place as me and you're wanting to get monetized by the end of the year, leave a comment in the comments. Plug your channel. I want this video and the comments to be a place where everyone can say, hey, this is my goal for the last 3 months of the year. For the last quarter of the year, I want to get X amount of subscribers. Or you also want to get monetized. Or if you're already monetized and you want to reach that next level, go ahead and put your goal in the comments. When we all work together and cheer along for each other, we can help each other reach our goals. So when I started my YouTube journey in May of 2024, for the month of May, my goal was to put out 2 videos a week. And I succeeded in that goal. However, I was such a YouTube baby. I had no idea about how to read analytics, what time to post, how to engage with my subscribers, how to provide value, what was my message. I had no idea what I had to offer other than a few things like I like creating content and creating videos. And I do feel like I have a lot to say. I just don't know how to say it yet. So I'm looking at my first 20 videos that I've made on this channel as a massive experiment. One thing that I decided from the very beginning of starting my channel was, so you watch all these YouTube videos with advice on how to create a channel and how to make it good. And everyone's like, make sure to pick a niche and make sure to niche down. Something in my gut knew that niching down from the get-go was really cutting me off from such a wider audience that I knew was there for me. And I also didn't even know what kind of niche I wanted to make my channel. And by making these 20 videos, I have made everything from motivational videos, moving vlogs. I have a travel vlog coming out in a few days. I have made dating advice, relationship advice. I have talked about believing in yourself, lots of motivational videos. I've just experimented with so many things. I've done everything but a cooking blog, which I'm learning how to cook this year, and I probably could pull one off, but maybe that'll get on the schedule. By not forcing myself to niche down so early on in my channel, I've really allowed myself to grow in my YouTube skills and discover what's important to me and what I'm attracted to. And I've come to realize I've come to realize that I am extremely interested in empowering women, inspiring women to show up as their full authentic selves without worry of being judged, without worrying about the fear of failure. And I feel like once you get to the place where you quiet all the noise in your head and you don't feel like you have to show up as anyone but your true authentic self, you really do become unstoppable. And I'd really like to make more videos like that. Not even necessarily for just women. Men can watch them too, but I mean, I'm a girl, so obviously I want to make some vids for the girlies. Yeah. But as I continue to make videos, I won't completely niche down into that just yet, but I will kind of slowly move towards making more videos on that topic. Now, it's the beginning of October, and my goal is to get monetized by the end of the year. So one of the things I need to do is create a channel schedule for when I'm going to be posting my videos, how often, how long. Right now, I feel like minimum 2 videos a week. That'll be 8 videos a month. Feels pretty good. And then if I have more time and energy, I'll make 3 or 4 videos. So at least 2 videos a week, at least 8 videos a month. And also one thing I've realized from my videos so far is that people are drawn more to my videos where I edit less. So it's like more stream of consciousness, more conversational. People are drawn to those more. So with that, also I get the benefit of not having to spend too much time editing. Even though I've worked so hard to learn editing skills, and I feel like I'm getting a lot better at editing. I feel like I worked really hard on it and I'm doing pretty well. But you know, if y'all want more long form stuff, like unedited, that's great too. I enjoy those more. It's like less work for me, and I also feel like I get to show up more authentically because I'm not like stopping to pause and like go back to the script. I'm just talking like I am now, stream of consciousness, you know? So I'll be doing way more of those. And also, I might venture out into making my videos a tad longer so that I can hit my 4,000 watch hours. I have a feeling that the one thing that might be the hardest is the 4,000 watch hours. But I'm not gonna put that limiting belief on it. I'm gonna stay confident and know that if I keep making good content and I keep showing up and doubling down, the right people will find my channel, the subscribers will come, the community will be built. So my biggest thing that I'm gonna be going into this 3 months with thinking about is my intention with this channel is to build community and to create a movement. And as long as I keep focusing on that and get laser focused on what my message is, the right people will come. And as I keep making videos and keep trying to hone in on my message, there'll definitely be some pivoting, and I'll definitely have to switch things up and try things that are new. And already when I look at my channel, I've come so far. I mean, when I first started videos, they were on my iPhone. I had no microphone. Then we updated to a nice camera. Then I got my microphone so we have good audio. And I can't wait to see how I level up next. So thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you're a creator, if you have any goal that you want to reach by the end of this year, put it in the comments. Let's all support each other. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on any future episodes, and I'll see y'all next time.